So from Gokarna, my train dropped me at the Madgaon station. Now, from Madgaon station, I have to go to the Anjuna beach, which is so far. So before that, I have to reach the Panjim station. Now here, from Madgaon, I go to the Kadamba station. Kadamba station, I take a direct bus to the Panjim, and from Panjim, I change my bus to the Mapusa and Mapusa to Anjuna. I know this is very long, but yeah, this is how the bus system is working in the Goa. So you have to be go like this. If you have vehicle, then that's a well and good. Otherwise, you have to be take a connecting bus. Good morning, guys. Today I am in this Goa, and if you see behind me, this is the Musafir hostel, and here I am staying. I'll show you the tour. So this is how it look like, and if you see, so it's basically, I got a very cheap bargaining here. Here you got the scooty also, and then this is the place. So I have to go Mapusa and Mapusa to Panji. If you are coming from Madgaon side, you have to take Panji bus. From Panji you have to go Mapusa, and Mapusa to you have to go coming in Anjuna or Kalagad beach. So that's how this bus system are working here. So let's see anyway how this today's look like. Bye bye. Hey guys, today I am at this Panji, which is the main capital of in Goa, main city, Panji city, which is old city actually. So today, I came from this Anjuna to Mapse to Panji. You have to take a bus, and then here I specially come from the old cafe or classic old food, Konkan food basically. So let's see how it is going on. So first I'm going to church. So from bus station to church is walkable distance. But उसके पहले मैंने चाय पिया, हरमन की चाय. It's so good. So like you can see. So this area is a main old area, and you can say the old charm of the Goa. Now I don't know where to go, but is this side or this side? Let me check for first. or I guess it's this side. If you're coming into Goa, just think 100 times which area you want to live, because Anjuna beach is very 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 costly. I didn't even find proper dinner for that location, Anjuna, Kalighat beach or Baga beach. So if you are budget traveler, then I say stay in the Panji itself, because there's lot of thing you find here. So Panji is a good, but if you are a beach person, then go to South Goa or something like that. So you have to book a rent, bike a rent, otherwise there is no option. Because I walk a lot, so I can manage. But if you uh, are not that person, then you should book a bike or maybe car, because it's very rainy nowadays. Now Goa is known for the cashew, or like people are coming here, they must buy the cashew. So there are 2-3 famous store. First is the Gentia, which is a famous store, very quality cashew they are selling. Second one is the Bhagya Lakshmi dry fruits, which is in the Panji market, MG road. And yeah, those both are very famous, so make sure you buy quality cashew, masala cashew, and the dry fruits also. So because nowadays there's a lot of cheap people are getting, and then they said ki we got a cheap bargaining, but even though that is not cheap. So let's see where we have to go. Basically MG area, MG road is very, good area, you can say that. Now we can see a lot of coloring house behind myself. So cool, isn't it? So yeah, these are so cool restaurant, isn't it? So yeah, this is the actually old Goa. And oh my god, I love with this area. Seriously, okay. I don't know where to we have go, but let's see guys, I'll meet you on the cafe itself. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so that one is the Joseph Bar, and so Joseph Bar is one of the oldest bar, I guess 1950 this open, and very old. So we have to go to the cafe detail, and let's see how it is going on. So guys, I am in this cafeteria which is called Confiteria 31. It's so famous. I mean, see this one. So this is very old and famous in the MG road, and here is me. So if you came here, now must try this Laranza, this one, or this Bolosans river, and they have specialty of rum ball. Now rum ball is very famous, and also the bebinka, which is they are serving the good cake. Basically, this is a good cake bakery for this area, and you must try also with the patties also. तो ये है भैया यहाँ के। और भैया कितनी पुरानी है? 94 ईयर्स। और यहाँ मतलब आज वीकडे है पर वीकेंड में जगह नहीं मिलेगी। तो यहाँ हम बाहर से दिखा दे। थैंक यू भैया। सो दिस इज हाउ लुक लाइक। ओह माय गॉड, सी basically it's for the what it's called, the Photoshop Insta photo booth. And yeah, here I am. So yeah, this is good. You should, but the road is narrow, so you should be careful while you are coming. So yeah, now I'll go to the next destination, which is don't know, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going to this church, and this church is nearby this Cafe de Conatria, whatever the name is, very complex. So that this is the main church, and you can see behind the graffiti art from the wall. Because this area is very old, so all the homes are colored with very colorful themes. Now yeah, so today whole day I provide due to the Panji itself. So yeah, this is the update. Now be aware of the raining, because once you came in the raining, you have the umbrella and then raincoat also. So this is how. So yeah, let's meet you in the church itself. Now this I'm going. This background is so cool. I mean, if you see, you see this. So every street of the Goa is so beautiful, so mind-blowing, so charming, and you like it. Especially the old home, basically. So yeah, let's go and see how the church is. So it's behind me, like you can see, but for that we have to take entry, and then we'll go. Okay, so this is the church. I mean, look at this, guys. See how cool it is. It's very famous, and if you come hereby, this is a must visited place in the Goa itself. Now this is a very bustling area from the Goa itself. So yeah, you should come and visit this one. So guys, today I am at this bakery 1922, which is almost more than 100-year old. It's a legacy, and it's very famous in the MG Road area. And I have this, it's called the prawns and the beef patties, which is so nice. I mean, so yeah, these people are famous for the bakery also is there, and it's very nice. So I'm enjoying this one. See how nice is them. So weather is very humid here, so hot, so you should be very careful. Otherwise this area is so cool. Now in lunch I'll try the fish thali. Let's see how it is going on. Anyway, this prawns is so good. You should try if you are the prawns lover. So yeah. So guys, today I'm in this Baker 92 and we have the owner. Hey, hi.
Hi.
What, what's your name?
My name is Nanesh.
Nanas. Okay. Okay. So tell me about something about this place.
The bakery business was started by my grandfather.
Okay. So guys, this is the third generation. Like first his grandfather, then his father,
Yes.
and this is a main third
And
owner.
we also have the fourth generation on board. That's my son.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
But
nice.
he's not here now.
Okay.
And my grandfather started the business in 1922.
Mhm.
And we used to have a counter at home.
Okay.
And we make biscuits and toast and things
Okay.
like
So
that.
originally
Those
start from the
years.
bakery
Yes,
itself.
yes.
Yeah.
Because as a teenager, he worked on the ship on a cruise liner in the bakery section.
Mm-hmm.
So when he first went out for the jobs, he worked there for about 2 years, I think, and then he realized that he has to come home and open a bakery.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the first item which you start like the famous one, the bakery, as a
Bread and biscuits, but more of coconut-based biscuits because Goa has a lot of coconut.
Yeah, yeah.
So the local ingredients available is coconut.
Okay. So guys, there are some specialty here. I tried today this prawns, this one, and then beef, and also first I see this rum ball. First time I see this rum ball, and then shortbread jams. If you have come in this area, which area is this by the way?
Panjim.
Panji. No, no, no. I know Panji. Area, MG Road.
This is somewhere next to the Panjim Church.
Okay, so church is behind that. You can take a walk and came here. This is you can say more than 100 years, and this place is still old charm. And oh my God, thank you so much for this. And if someone is coming, what do you recommend for those person?
Our snacks are very good. We have a lot of Goan snacks, but we
Okay.
specialize in Goan snacks.
Okay,
We
so
only specialize in Goan.
especially in the prawns and yeah. So guys, and this one I heard the bebinka. This one his name is very famous in the other bakery also. So you must try. And yeah, you see all the people. So yeah, that's place you must try. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Chalo.
very much.
Yeah. So right now I am at this Kalangat beach, and this is one of the crowdest beach I am seeing right now. I'll show you. So this is the main hotspot of the.
think about your day and ask you how it is. Why are you being cruel when we could have all this in the dry?